Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock your Shopify store, so only people with the password can visit your site. Maybe you're getting ready for a big launch, you want to tweak your products behind the scenes, or you simply need a private storefront for a little while. Knowing how to put up that virtual velvet rope is an essential skill for any Shopify user. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your store secured, your own custom password set up, and a clear message welcoming curious visitors while keeping things private. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Shopify dashboard and look for Online Store on the sidebar. You'll find it under Sales Channels. This is where you control how your website displays to visitors. Click Online Store and you'll see a drop-down menu appear underneath. From here, hit Preferences. This section is kind of the control room for your storefront. It lets you fine-tune everything from your SEO settings to, who can actually see your site. Now scroll down a little until you spot the section labeled Store Access. Here's the magic. You'll see an option to add a password. This is exactly how you lock up your Shopify store so it's invite-only. Choose a password that's strong, but also something you or your team can easily remember. Treat this almost like setting a lock code for a new apartment. You want it secure, but not impossible to share with collaborators. Right underneath the password input, there's a text box for a message to your visitors. This is your chance to set expectations and add your personal touch. For example, you might say, "Our shop is opening soon, enter the password to preview." Or maybe, "We're taking a short break, but loyal customers can still access with the password below." Putting a friendly, informative note here helps clear up any confusion and keeps people engaged, even if your store isn't open to the public just yet. Pause here to think about what tone fits your brand. You can be as energetic, mysterious, or informative as you like. When you're happy with the password and message, go ahead and click Save. Don't stress if this takes a second. Shopify will confirm when those changes go live. And you're halfway there. Now your store is password protected, but visitors might still see your usual homepage, which can look a bit confusing if you're not ready to open for sales. So let's make things really clear for anyone stopping by. Head back to your online store section and click on Themes. Here you can edit what your homepage says and how it looks. I recommend changing your homepage headline to something like "Opening Soon" or "Store Locked" for updates. This way, anyone who lands on your site immediately knows what's happening. It's like pulling the blinds on a physical shop with a sign that says "Come back soon." You can customize the announcement bar or main content to better fit your message. Even just a simple update can help manage expectations and ensure visitors don't get confused or frustrated. Sometimes, little touches like these are what build trust and professionalism, especially during transitions or new launches. And that's it, your Shopify store is now locked. Only people with the password get in, and every visitor sees a clear message letting them know what's going on. This gives you time and privacy to get everything ready behind the scenes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or if you want to share your own "Opening Soon" message ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.